Hi guys, it's Marlene and I am one of the Information Girls. Today I'm going to talk to you about promoting your videos. So why is it important to promote your videos? You can do so to interact with your audience. So don't be shy. Speak directly to the YouTube community and ask them to subscribe. Use video descriptions and banners to encourage users to like and subscribe. Turn on comments on video pages. You can always delete comments or block users. Use playlists to group your content by theme. Make it easier for users to find videos on your channel. Interact with your audience through shout-outs, comments, subscriptions, and by asking questions or soliciting ideas. Encourage contests. Use eye-catching themes. And you want to publicize your video and your channel on the radio, TV, websites, forums, newsletters, other social networking platforms, and link your YouTube channel in as many places as you can. Websites, blogs, magazines. Use your YouTube APIs to create YouTube badges for your website and display your YouTube presence and link to your YouTube channel. If your videos are product reviews, include as much of the following as possible. Video tags, UPC, EAN, ISBN, MPN, model number, and brand. Example, for the Ready NAS Duo ad UPC and all of the numbers, the brand, Netgear, and all the tags. So all of this is going to help you to promote your videos here on YouTube. And use Google Ads for your video. YouTube promoted videos allows any video uploader to surface their video content on YouTube by focusing on users that are interested in seeing their comment. And you can find out more about YouTube promoted videos in the ad section of the Help Center. So this has been some useful information. It will be put in the description box of this video. I am Marlene, and I am one of the Information Girls. And on this channel, we talk about no rumors, just the facts. Make sure you turn on your notification bell and subscribe so you will not miss any future uploads.
Information Girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag, got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some